Why should you call Parm for your AC tune-up? Well, the heat of summer is definitely not the time to be without the comforts of air conditioning. Every day we receive calls from customers with problems that could have been easily prevented with regular maintenance. A tune-up can catch small problems before they turn into major repairs. And great news, we are now offering an $89 tune-up. That's right, if you call now, you can schedule your AC tune-up for only $89. Call Parm Heating, Cooling, Plumbing, and Electric today, or look us up online at callparm.com.